when should I put it in 4-wheel drive?
Now?
Yeah. It's a Ford thing. Okay.
I kept doing it.
Ooh, it's not going. Almost hit a tree back there.
Those trees won't fold down.
No, a real tree. I don't know. What do you think?
Through that.
Huh?
Back out? Probably take it back out that way.
You think so?
Stay on like in between your drive.
What if I nail it right now and just go?
Yeah, I think that's maybe it.
Nope.
Yeah.
Not enough nail.
Oh. Fuck.
All right. So what you just saw was, you know, I was just having a little fun in this expedition that I picked up here. So everything works on it. I bought this thing. It's a 2003. Oh, there's my. All right, cool. There's my press right there. I'm actually gonna take it back because I already got another one. So it's an 03, 3 rows of seats. Pretty gnarly. Tow package with a 7-pin. This thing didn't come with the title. It's kind of a shame. But hey, you know, that opens, I promise. I've already taken the front fenders, the front bumper cover, and the other fender. Yeah, so, and the running boards. No more running boards on it. So I paid $200 for this. I've made $500 just selling parts. I had $300 in parts, or $300 in profit. So I've got this Mazda here. I've got some plans for it, but I've got to get this thing down. I'm gonna pull this thing apart, just kind of get rid of this truck, except for the frame. Then I'll have the frame and the running gear. I might keep the dash, sell the seats. I might keep the center console, put the center console in the Mazda. This interior is pretty nice. I might put that overhead console in the Mazda as well. So this thing runs, but it's got a miss. It's 5.4, and they're kind of junk. Right now it's not really missing that bad, actually. It is missing, but it has a leak. Intake manifold right in here somewhere. Right in here. The guy showed me all this is going to come off. Everything I can get out of here is going to come off, and I'll save it to sell it. The beehive there, kind of cool. So with that $500, that's what I did. I went and bought another truck. I bought a 97 Dodge 1500 pickup truck, 318, and a 5-speed. I paid $500 for this. It's got you know, some wheels. Nothing really on it. It's a nice truck. It's not nothing funky about it except for this little rust right here. There's a little spot there. I was thinking about rhino lining the bottom, or get some like Rust-Oleum paint, pull this trim off. The interior is perfect except for this, and it's missing that panel, the fuse panel. This one, you can hear it. It is running on 7 cylinders, so it smokes a little bit. This one does run rough, that you can visibly see. It's dirty in here. I've got a new battery for this. The battery's good, but I just got a new one. I don't know if I'll put it in this or not. So this is going to be a flip vehicle. I think I can sell this for about $2 grand. It's got all this crap in it that I need to get out of here. So yeah, it came with everything here. All this, a new throttle position sensor, idle air control sensor or valve, whatever. The CB radio is gonna get thrown away. It came with this. It's kind of cool. Idaho registration, bottle of water, that was mine. Shoelace, serpentine belt, just a bunch of stuff. Brand new deal there. Pepper spray. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah. Yeah, it works. Cool. Woo. Okay. That is a head gasket kit. This is front end kit. Both of these boxes here for the other truck. So here's what I need. Now the Expedition is gonna be sick, dude. Trust me. We're gonna pull it down. I wanted to make a go-kart out of it. I don't think I'll do that. So we'll turn this thing off. That's kind of wild, huh? Not make a go-kart out of it. I got some plans for it. I'll show you when I get there. So please subscribe, like. You don't even have to like, because you're gonna start loving this stuff that's gonna come up this year on this channel. So at least give me a subscribe. You'll dig it, trust me. See you next time.